we're gonna open a giant blind box in Hot Wheels. Let's see what we got. We got lots of Legos. I'm gonna open first one. And there is in the box instructions, all of them. And here is who. Next, I'm gonna open a Captain America Lego. And here is Captain America with holding a gun and his shield. Next, I'm gonna open Batman. In the front, we got, you can see the Batman. So here is Batman, and here is, and there are really more. So next, I'm gonna open X-Men. It's really hard to get something. And here is X-Men. Next, I'm going to open Superman Lego. And Superman has a cape. And it's cute too. And Iron Man. And Iron Man has like this hand in the back. See? So next, I'm gonna open Spider-Man blind box. So the instructions stick in it. So here is Spider-Man. So let's open the last blind box. And it's a toy. Well guys, thanks for watching our Disney Collector in DCTC. Bye.